Hello, welcome to Jamaica Virtual Learning. This is another exam style form and solve equation. The diagram shows rectangle and a triangle. Measurements are in centimeters. The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. Find the area of the rectangle. So first, let's work out the perimeter. Perimeter is simply the distance around given shapes. So we're going to add all the distance around the rectangle. Let's start with the rectangle. Now, because we're going to add x minus 4 twice, we're going to add 2x minus 8 twice. We can add these two up and double it. If you don't understand this method, keep on adding all around it. So what I'm doing is I'm adding 2x minus 8 plus x minus 4, and I'm going to double it because we have two sides of it. So now, when I simplify what is in the bracket, I'm going to have 3x minus 12, and if I expand the bracket, the perimeter is 6x minus 24. It will be the same if you did add 2x minus 8, 2x minus 8, plus x minus 4, plus x minus 4. You get the same answer. Now let's look at the triangle. I'm adding all the three sides, so I just sum them up. X plus 3, plus x plus 4, plus x minus 4. Now simplify, I'm going to have 3x plus 3. Now the question says the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. So all I need to do is to equate the two expressions for the perimeter, and I then solve the equation. I have 6x on the left hand side, so I'm going to group all on the left hand side by taking away 3x from both sides. Sorry, 3x on both sides. So taking 3x from both sides, you're going to have 3x minus 24 is equal to 3. Add 24 to both sides to get rid of negative 24. So we're going to have 3x is equal to 27. 3 is multiplying x, so you divide through by 3. That means divide both sides by 3. 3x over 3 is equal to 27 over 3. And I can divide 3 by 3, which equals 1. So cancel that out. X is equal to 27 over 3, and x is equal to 9. So now I know x is equal to 9, and I want to work out the area of the rectangle. I need to know the value of x minus 4 to x minus 8, knowing that x is 9. So if x is 9, then the length to x minus 8 is 18 minus 8, which is 10, because 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 minus 8 is 10. And the width is x minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, so 5 times 10, which is the formula for length times width for rectangle. Length times width is the area formula for rectangle, so the answer is 50 cm squared. Okay, so now last thing we're going to do on form and solving equation is worded problem. So we're going to look at a worded problem where there was no diagram. We got to figure out the equation to form. That's our next lesson.